Welcome everyone to another startup and automobile documentation. What we're looking at today is a 2019 Mazda CX-5 signature Skyactiv-D. That's right, this is the rare diesel CX-5 that was only sold in the US for 1 year. This CX-5 is painted in Soul Red Crystal Metallic. It does have smart key access on the front doors. On the key fob, you have the buttons for lock, unlock, power tailgate release, and panic. It does have a premium Bose sound system. You also have storage in the front door panels. Of course, you get power windows, locks, and mirrors, and it also has power folding mirrors. The signature trim has a Coutura brown interior with Napa leather seats and genuine wood trim. Both front seats are fully powered, and the driver's seat also gets two-way power lumbar support and two-person memory settings. But now that we're behind the wheel, let's go ahead and start up that 2.2-liter twin-turbo diesel inline 4. It does have push-button ignition as well. Very quiet diesel. The Mazda CX-5 is a popular contender in the compact crossover class. It made its debut for the 2013 model year to replace both the midsize two-row CX-7 and more directly the Tribute, a Ford Escape rebadge. Unlike the Tribute, the CX-5 was developed in-house by Mazda. The CX-5 is currently in its second generation as of the 2025 model year. In its relatively short lifetime, the CX-5 has quickly become easily one of Mazda's most popular models ever. In 2023, Mazda launched another compact SUV in the CX-50, but the older CX-5 is, at least as of 2025, still continuing on as well. This 2019 model represents the second generation of the CX-5, codenamed KF, which made its debut for the 2017 model year and is still being made as of the 2025 model year, giving it quite a long production run. For the 2019 model year, Mazda began offering its Skyactiv-D 2.2-liter twin-turbo diesel engine in the CX-5 in the United States after years of delays. However, Mazda stopped selling the diesel engine in the CX-5 in the US after just that one model year in 2019. It was for a number of reasons, mainly coming down to low customer demand. Although the diesel CX-5 was a flop in the US, that does make it a rare find. And hey, rare cars are cool. Anyhow, trim levels for the US market 2019 model year CX-5 included Sport, Touring, Grand Touring Reserve, and Signature. The three engines on offer included the base 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline-4, a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 found in Grand Touring Reserve and Signature models, and this example's 2.2-liter Skyactiv-D twin-turbo diesel inline-4, which was offered solely in the Signature trim. Standard with the diesel engine is a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. In Mazda's US 2019 crossover lineup, the compact CX-5 was slotted between the subcompact CX-3 and the midsize CX-9. So in the instrument cluster, we have three analog gauges, which are your tachometer, fuel gauge, and temperature gauge, with the speedometer needle being digital, including a digital info display, which, as you can see, contains your trip computers, your adaptive cruise info, diesel exhaust fluid level, etc. And you also have a heads-up display as well. It has a 3-spoke design, heated, leather-wrapped, and multifunctional steering wheel. As for controls on this side, you'll find your audio controls along with your Bluetooth controls, and with info, you can push this button to go through that info display. Then on this side, you'll find your cruise controls and adaptive cruise controls. The steering wheel is tilt and telescopic. With this button, you can operate your power tailgate, your traction control toggle button, lane keep assist, parking sensors. And with this button, you can go through your various exterior cameras. As you can see right here, curbside cameras, front view camera, overhead camera. In addition to, of course, the backup camera you'll see later. Climate vent for the driver. On this side, you'll find your exterior lighting stock. And on this side is your wiper stock. You do get auto wipers. So going down the center of the interior, you have your touchscreen infotainment system, Mazda Connect. Go over the system more in a bit. You have your central climate vents and your hazard switch. Push button ignition, passenger airbag indicator. You have the toggle for your heated steering wheel. Now it does have dual zone automatic climate controls with all the controls right here. You have your fan speed, AC, different zones, auto and sync, temperature for either side, etc. And both front seats are also 3-stage heated and cooled. We have a 12-volt power outlet right here, along with some storage in front of the shifter. Going in reverse does reveal a backup camera with guidance lines. You can also go between your other exterior cameras. But as you can see, you have the backup camera, and then when you put it in drive, you get front view camera. The parking brake is electronically operated. You also have auto brake hold. You have a physical volume power knob for the radio, and while this is a touchscreen, you can also go through it via your physical controls right here. So you have this knob and then some shortcut buttons. You have 2 cup holders, center console with some storage along with an SD card slot, 2 USB-A ports, and another 12-volt outlet. Both sun visors do have vanity mirrors, lights, and extensions. Grab handles at all 4 corners. Auto-dimming rear view with garage home link. On the overhead console, you have your sunglass holder, LED reading lights, and your power sunroof controls. Alright, and here is the Mazda Connect infotainment system in the 2019 CX-5 Signature. So we'll go to Applications. First up, you have SiriusXM Travel Link, so if you have a subscription for that, you can get local traffic, local weather, etc. HD radio traffic map, and your fuel economy monitor, so you can see how well economically you've been driving. There's also vehicle status monitor. Next up in the menu is entertainment. And you have, of course, your radio settings. You have AM, FM, Sirius XM, plus Bluetooth audio streaming, and then your Pandora, Stitcher. And as you saw earlier, you can also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in here. And sound settings, of course. Bose center point. This Bose sound system, of course, sounds great. Communication for phone. Then you have your navigation map. As you can see, and then you can go to point of interest, pick a category, fuel station, and then search brings up all the closest ones. But that's a pretty nice looking navigation map. There is more stuff in here as well, but just kind of going over a brief gist of this system. And you can adjust the heads-up display, so the height of it, the brightness, display settings, safety settings, your blind spot monitor, lane keep assist, back to the sound settings, clock, vehicle settings, devices, and all sorts of system settings. But that's just a brief gist of this infotainment system in this CX-5. But now we'll roll down the driver's window and have a look at the engine bay. All 4 windows are fully automatic. This CX-5 signature rides on 19-inch dark silver finished alloy rims. Powering this CX-5 is Mazda's Skyactiv-D 2.2-liter twin-turbo-diesel inline-4 engine. It has an aluminum block end head along with dual overhead camshafts, 4 valves per cylinder, and common rail injection. The engine uses a sequential twin-turbo setup. Horsepower is rated at 168 at 4,000 RPM, and torque is rated at 290 pound-feet at 2,000 RPM. This engine is paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission with a manual mode, which sends power to all 4 wheels via Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system. Running on diesel fuel with a 15.3-gallon fuel tank, EPA estimates are 27 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. It has a McPherson strut front suspension and a multi-link rear suspension. It also has 4-wheel disc brakes with ventilated front rotors. The diesel CX-5 has a towing capacity of 3,500 pounds. The fuel door is on the driver's side. You've also got storage on the back door panels. And you have 60-40, actually 40-20-40 split folding rear seats. As you can see, 40-20-40 split folding. Both front seats have mat pockets on the backs, and your coat hooks right here. As for rear seat passenger amenities, well, we've got our own set of climate vents, which is nice. And then we have a fold-down center armrest with 2 cup holders, some storage, along with a couple of USB ports, and we even have 3-stage heated rear seats with the controls right here. Nice to have in the top-of-the-line signature trim level. Now space, I'm about 6'1" with the driver's seat in a comfortable position for myself. Headroom is really good, footroom is good, but legroom is okay. The leather, by the way, feels absolutely wonderful. The build quality in this interior just feels so premium. And like with just little touches like the stitched leather, even on the back door panel, this matte wood, which looks really high class, the like brushed aluminum door handles. Mazda does a really good job, especially on the higher end trim levels, of making their interiors feel very premium. And I wonder if it has something to do with the fact that Mazda doesn't really have a luxury brand like the other Japanese automakers. I mean, Honda has Acura, Toyota has Lexus, Nissan has Infiniti. Mazda, at least right now in the States, they don't have a luxury subsidiary. So it's pretty much just all the mainstream Mazda models have you can get high trim levels, but what they do is they just have this really nice build quality, at least with this one. I haven't been in too many new Mazdas, but I'm really impressed with the interior. And just this being a 2019, I think this just has aged very well in terms of styling inside and out. The only place that I kind of see like it kind of looks like it's aged a bit is just how small the touchscreen is. But other than that, it's still an absolutely, in my opinion, a beautiful SUV inside and out. Especially in this red, it's absolutely stunning. Single exhaust, rear wiper, and it does have a power tailgate. Cargo space in the CX-5 is 30.9 cubic feet, which can be expanded to 59.6 cubic feet by folding the back seats down. Power outlet back here. Very easy to fold the back seats down with these levers. Anyhow, thanks for checking out this tour of this rare diesel 2019 Mazda CX-5. And as always, stay on the lookout for future tours.